Children, Sai Ram. Hope you are very well at your home, learning at home. So, students, today we are going to start or take our next chapter, that is chapter number 2. Okay, that is whole numbers. The number itself says that whole means just complete, a complete box of numbers, okay, in which all the numbers are there. Okay, so we are going to take our topics, that is we will take whole numbers, natural numbers, successor, predecessor, number line using addition and for subtraction. Okay, see, we will take our first topic and second topic, that is whole numbers and natural numbers. See children, this is whole numbers in green side. What is written there? Whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers are the numbers starting from 0 is called whole numbers. If somebody asks you what are whole numbers, you can say the numbers starting from 0, they are called whole numbers. Starting from 0 and there is no end of the numbers. Okay, numbers are infinite. If somebody asks you what are whole number, you will say the numbers starting from 0, they are whole numbers. If somebody asks you what are natural numbers, you will say all counting numbers are called natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers are those numbers which we can count. From which number we can count, tell me? From which is the smallest number that is used for counting? Yes, 1. 1 is the smallest number that we use for, that is the smallest number we start from counting. Okay, counting begins with the smallest number, that is 1. So yes, the natural number will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, so natural number start with 1, 2, 3 and that करके so many numbers. Okay, the difference between both is whole numbers contain 0 with them. Okay, but natural number starts with 1. Okay, okay, whole number starting from 0 and natural number starting from 1. As you can see in the example, it is starting from 1, so they are called natural numbers, and whole numbers are starting from 0. Okay, have you understood? I hope you all have understood. Now we will go for our next topic, that is, see, this is the chapter 2, whole numbers. Okay children, you can see this is the your textbook page. See, you can see that what is given. See, whole numbers. See, read this line. As we know, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 when we begin to count. Yes, we start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4. They come natural number. They are natural number. I have already told you, when we start counting, they are natural number. It means 1, 2, 3, they are natural number. If I say 0, 1, 2, 3, they are whole numbers. Understood? Okay. See, so we are going to take in this chapter our next topic, that is what? That is predecessor and successor. Okay, in small classes you have learned what? You have learned what? Tell me. Yes, before and after. Yes or no? You have learned in small classes before and after. So that only we are going to. Yes, whole numbers in which we will learn predecessor and successor. See, predecessor is pre. See, in alphabets P come before and S come after. Okay, yes or no? So P means before number. You can easily, in your small classes you have learned, no, what is before and after. Same way, predecessor means the number which is coming before of any given number. Successor means, you can say in easy language, the number which is coming after. Okay, if one is coming, if one number is given to you, you have to find the successor of that number. So what you will do? Yes, tell me what you will do. If you are having number 23, and I have told you that you have to find the predecessor of this number. So I have told you predecessor is what? The number which is coming prior of that number. 23 is given to you. For predecessor and successor, for predecessor you will do -1. Okay, this is the condition. P is coming prior, so it will, in alphabet it is coming prior, so P will do -1 and S will do +1 in that number. Understood? Okay, we will take some examples. See, number given to you is 2, 3, 4. I have told you that you have to find predecessor of this number. The predecessor means doing, P means doing -1. Yes, so you will -1 in this number. 2, 3, 4 -1. So 4 minus 3 is what? 4 minus 1 is 3. Again 3 is, nothing is given below 3, and 2 will come down as it is. The answer will be 2, 3, 3. Okay, now I am taking successor. Okay, I am taking successor. You are given any number. I have told you have to find successor of this number. Okay, so for successor what we are doing? We are doing +1. Yes, so what you will do? You will write here +1. So what will come? 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, and 4 will come down like this, 3 will come here, and 2 will come here. Understood? So this is the predecessor and this is the successor. In predecessor, again I am repeating, in predecessor you will do -1 and in successor you will do +1. Okay, yes, we go for our next topic. See, whole numbers, we have seen that the numbers 1 has no predecessor. If somebody asks you, does 1 has any predecessor? Yes, tell me. So it is given. We have seen that the number 1 has no predecessor in natural number. If yes, it is having predecessor, that is 0. But if you will say about natural number, it is starting from 1 itself. So 1 will not have any predecessor in which? In natural numbers. Okay, yes, so see this line, you can see the natural number along with 0. Yes, in one box it is given 0, 1, 2, 3. So what they will call? They will be called whole numbers. That only this line is saying. The natural numbers along with 0 form the collection of whole numbers. Okay, see, you can see and try this question. It is given, are all natural numbers also whole numbers? See, natural numbers start with 1, 2, 3, and it is saying, are all natural numbers whole numbers? Yes, because natural numbers start with 1 and whole numbers start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So a natural number can be a whole number, but it is saying, can a whole number be a natural number? Tell me. No. Why? Because whole numbers start with 0. Yes or no? And it is containing 0 in it, and but natural numbers are not containing 0. Now it is saying, which is the smallest whole number? Yes, tell me. Whole number start from 0. The smallest whole number will be 0 only. Okay, I hope you have got my point. We will go for the next. See, this is the number line we are doing. Okay, this is the number line. In number line we will do two types of thing. That is, one is addition and one is for subtraction. Okay class, see what you have to do. If you are given a number 2 plus 3, okay, firstly what you have to do, you have to draw one number line. This is the line. 0 you write here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, from 2, okay, there is no space, so I am erasing this. I am writing here 1. Okay, 2 plus 1. So what you have to do, you have to start from the first number. You have to take the first number, that is, this is the 2. So you will start from 2. How many steps it is having? This is the 1. So you will take 1 step. Okay, so answer will be 3. The point where your this mark will stop, that will be answer for this number. Okay. Yes, children. Now, have you understood? See, again I am saying you. See, if your number is given that 2 plus 2, okay? Take one number line. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. Okay? We are taking. See what I have told you. You have to check the first number. You will start from first number. That is 2. Yes, you will start from this. Okay? Yes. So how many step, and step will decided by the back number. How many step it is needing? It is needing 2 steps. So we will start from 2 number. This is the 1 step, 1, and this is the second step. So answer, what the answer we are getting? Yes, the answer is 4. Understood? The answer is 4. Same way we will do for subtraction. This is the number line. It is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If a question is given to you is 4 minus 2. Okay. Question is 4 minus 2. What you will do? I have told you know that which number will decide where, from where we have to this number. Yes, starting number. Starting number is 4. We have to start from here. But it is given in minus sign. Okay. So what you will do? You will take the steps back. Because if we are having 10 chocolates, we have written 2. So it will we have more chocolates or less chocolate? We will have less chocolate. Same way, it is given 4 minus 2. It means the number will decrease. So we will go this side. Okay. Yes. The 4 is having, we will start from 4, this number, and how steps will be decided by this number, the behind number. So we will take 2 steps, 1 and 2. Understood? Yes. So our answer will be 2. 4 minus 2 will be 2. Understood? Yes. For subtraction you will go behind. For addition you will go forward. The from where you have to start, that will be decided by the first number. Okay. And how many steps you have to take, that will be decided by the behind number in every situation, whether it is addition, whether it is multiplication. Okay. Yes. Now we will start with our exercise 2.1. See, it is given, write the 3 natural numbers after 1 0 1 0 1 0 9 1 0 999. Okay, this is given to you. It is saying the natural number. All numbers are natural number. Yes or no? All numbers are natural. So we will add here plus 1. Yes. 9 plus 1 will be 10. 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 1 will be 10. Again 1 carry. 9 plus 1 will be 10. Again 1 carry. It will be 1, 1. Yes. So it will be 11,000 for one number. Again in this number we will add 1. We will get the next natural number. Again we will add 1. Then we will get next natural number. We will get 3 natural number in the same way. Yes. Next is write 3 whole numbers occurring just before this number. Yes, it is saying before. The answer is 1 0 0 0 1. It is asking for before, so we will do minus 1. Okay. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0, because 0 will come. 0 will come here. Again 0 will come here, and here will be again 1. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 1000. Now it is saying we have to find 3. So what we will do again? Now we will take from 1000. Again we will subtract 1. It is 10,000. Yes. Okay. We will subtract 1. See, just 0 cannot subtract 1, so it will become 10. And these all rest will become 9. You have run in your previous classes also. So it will be 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 ka 9 here, again 9 here. Okay. We will have 9,999 as a whole number. Again we will subtract 1. We will have 9998. Okay. So we have 3 whole numbers. Okay. Yes. Now the third one is, which is the smallest whole number? Tell me. Whole numbers start from 0. Yes. So 0 is the smallest whole number. Now we will go for next question. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? You can count in fingers also, because every number is a whole number. Yes or no? The 32, 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Same way, when you will count in finger, you will have 20 whole numbers. Okay? Understood? You can do easily in your fingers also, and you can subtract also. Okay? Now see, we have write the successor. You have to write the successor of this number. Which number is given to you? Yes, 244071. What you will do, you will add 1, because in successor we are adding. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. 0 will come down, 7 will come down, 1 will come, 0 will come down again, 4 again will come down, this 4 again will come down, and this 2 will again come down. So it means in successor we are adding. Okay? Yes. Now we will see, this is the solution. You can see if you are not getting. See, this is the for whole numbers we have done. Natural numbers we have added 1 1 1. Okay, and for whole numbers it was asking before, we have subtracted 1 1. Smallest whole number is 0. Okay, successor, for successor, see, it is adding. The same way you have to also add. Okay class? Yes. So today what we have discussed the numbers 1 2 3 that are known as natural numbers. If you add 1 to the natural number, we get as if we will add plus 1, we will get successor, we will subtract 1, we will get predecessor. Okay, every natural number has a successor, but it does not have a predecessor. That is, number 1 does not have any predecessor. Okay, every whole number has a successor. Every whole number except 0 has a predecessor. Okay, all natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers can be whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Okay, so with this we have discussed today. Students, this is your responsibility, that you have to go through all these questions and do homework. This is the homework which you have to do. Which of the following statements are true and false? You have to tell that. See, first question is this is the first question. 0 is the smallest natural number. No, this is false, because natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. Now our second question is 400 is the predecessor of 399. Yes, predecessor means because it is coming prior in alphabets also, and you can say predecessor is just before. So you will minus 1 from 400. You will minus 1. You will get 399. Understood? Yes. I hope you all have understood. This is the homework you all have to do, and you have to write definitions of whole numbers, natural numbers with example. Okay, now question number 3 is, you have to write predecessor of these number. It means from 245, predecessor means minus 1. So you will do minus 1, that you will get 2 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 4 4. Same way you will do for all these questions. And the last one is that I hope you all will do this questions very thoroughly at your home and practice daily. Okay children, Sai Ram, hope for best. We will meet in our next class. I hope you all will learn.